Can you really make money on YouTube by just copying and pasting content? Sounds impossible, right? But stick with me, because I'm about to show you step by step how anyone, even without experience, can turn this simple method into real cash. The first misconception we need to break is that you must be ultra creative or have groundbreaking ideas to succeed on YouTube. That's simply not true. Many successful YouTubers are thriving by curating and repurposing content. Viewers love convenience. People don't mind watching content that's been reimagined or given a fresh perspective, as long as it's valuable and engaging. The foundation of this strategy is finding what's popular and trending. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or VidIQ to uncover trending topics and keywords. Check YouTube's trending tab for ideas. Follow niche channels to see what's working in your space. Pro tip: stick to evergreen niches like health, finance, tech, or entertainment to ensure long-term relevance. Next, you'll need to identify videos or content you can legally use. Here are your best options. Search for Creative Commons licensed videos in your niche on YouTube. These are free to use as long as you follow the guidelines. For example, use filters in YouTube's search bar to find them. Explore websites like archive.org or Pixabay for royalty-free content. Use platforms like Pexels or Storyblocks to access video clips that can enhance your project. Simply copying and pasting isn't enough. You must add value to make the content your own. Add commentary, insights, or reactions. Create voiceovers that explain the content. Combine clips into a top 10 or compilation format. Edit the video creatively to enhance its visual appeal. A reaction channel exploded in growth by taking trending videos, adding humorous commentary, and repackaging them into entertaining clips. This small tweak made the content engaging and shareable. Once you've curated your content, it's time to ensure it reaches your audience. Design bold, high-contrast thumbnails that grab attention. Tools like Canva or Photoshop are great for this. Use keywords and make it enticing. For example, how I made $10,000 on YouTube without filming? Include keywords in your video description. Add tags related to your content and niche. Use a compelling call to action in your intro and outro. Here's how you start earning from your curated content. Once you meet YouTube's partner program requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start running ads on your videos. Add affiliate links in your video descriptions. For example, promote tools or products related to your niche. As your channel grows, brands may approach you for collaborations, sell your own products, or offer services based on your niche. To avoid legal trouble, always give proper credit to the original creators. Avoid re-uploading content without adding value or obtaining permission. Use royalty-free music or YouTube's audio library for your background tracks. You don't need to be a creative genius or an expert to succeed on YouTube. Curating content is a smart way to get started without spending countless hours on original production. By adding your unique spin, you can create engaging videos that attract views and revenue. Ready to give this a try? Let me know in the comments which step you're most excited about. And don't forget to check out my other videos where I share more tips and tricks for growing your YouTube channel. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.